Wait, before you skip, this is the easiest blueberry cheesecake you will ever make, and it tastes insane. And the best part, no baking, no gelatin, and just a few simple ingredients. Start with the 120 grams of crushed digestive biscuit. I've used light digestive biscuit here. Mix with 60 grams of melted butter and press it firmly. That gives that perfect buttery crust. Tell me in the comments, biscuit base or cookie base. What do you choose? First, to make whipping cream, I use 38 grams of whipping cream sachet with half cup of milk and vanilla essence. Whisk it till creamy. Next, we are using 280 grams of Philadelphia cheese and 1/4 cup of condensed milk. You can even switch condensed milk with 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Now mix it till everything get well combined. For the blueberry jam, I've used 1 cup of frozen berries, a squeeze of a lemon juice and a hint of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of honey. You need to taste and adjust the amount of honey as per your liking at the end. What topping would you try next? Mango, strawberry or chocolate? Layer the crust, then cream and then gorgeous berry jam and fresh berries on top. My whipping cream wasn't stiff enough today. So instead of firm layer, it becomes a creamy pudding style cheesecake. And honestly, it turned out amazing. Creamy, tangy, sweet and so satisfying. Minimal ingredients, maximum taste, zero baking. Save this recipe and try it this week. And if you want more easy recipes, hit follow.